Hi children, how are you all? Hope everyone is good and safe at home. Today in maths class, we are going to learn ordering of numbers. Ordering means arranging the numbers one by one. So what is ordering children? Ordering means arranging the numbers one by one. There are two ways of arranging the numbers. There are two ways of arranging the numbers. The first one is arranging the numbers from the biggest to smallest. Okay, arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest. The another one is arranging the numbers from smallest to biggest. Okay children, ordering means what children? Ordering means arranging the numbers one by one, and there are two ways of arranging the numbers. The first one is arranging the numbers from biggest to smallest, and the next one is arranging the number from smallest to biggest. Ascending order. Ascending order, when we write numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Once again children, ascending order, when we write numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called as ascending order. Greatest, largest, biggest are all are same. So here are the examples: 23, 73, 102, 440 and 626. These are numbers, all are in ascending order. See here children, 73 is greater than 23. Okay, 73 is greater than 23. 102 is greater than 73. 414 is bigger than 102. Okay, 414 is bigger than 102. Okay, 626 is bigger than 114. Okay, 626 is bigger than 414. So it is in the increasing order. How the order is? It is in the increasing order, and it is called as what? It is called as ascending order. The order is called as ascending order. When we write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Descending order. Descending order, when we write numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Once again children, descending order, when we write numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Example: 105, 98, 74, 15 and 4. These numbers are in descending order. Okay children, see here. 98 is smaller than 105. Yes, 98 is smaller than 105. 74 is smaller than 98. 74 is smaller than 98. 15 is smaller than 74. And 4 is smaller than 15. Okay, 4 is smaller than 15. So it is in the from smallest, greatest to the smallest. So it is from greatest to the smallest. The greatest number is 105 and the smallest number is 4. It is in the decreasing order. How children? It is in the decreasing order. It is called as descending order. It is called as what children? Descending order. Arrange in ascending order. Now these numbers, what you have to do is you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. How you all know that which number should come first and which is the smallest number and which is greatest number? You have few steps to arrange the numbers. The first one is count the number of digits. so that it will help you to know which number is bigger and which is smaller. For example, 5 is what? It is a single digit number. It is a 2-digit number. So 5 is single digit number is always smaller than the 2-digit number. So 15 is bigger and 5 is smaller. Let me take the another example. So it is a 2-digit number and it is a 3-digit number. So 26 is smaller than the 345. So 345 is bigger and 26 is smaller number. So it helps you to find out which is big and which is small. Okay. The second step is if you have two-digit number and two-digit number. So you have both the numbers have two-digit number. So then what you will do? Then you have to compare the first number. Okay. Then what you should do, children? Then you have to compare the first number. So 1 and 2. Which is small? 1 or 2? 1 is smaller. So 15 is smaller and 20 is bigger. Okay. Okay, children. 15 is smaller and 20 is, children, 20 is bigger. Now we'll have another example. Okay, it is a 3-digit number. So both are 3 digits. Here, what you should do then? You have to compare the first digit number. 2 and 3. Which is smaller, children? 2 is smaller. So 255, 54 is smaller and 349 is bigger. Okay. Third step, here you have the number of digits same and the first digits is also same. The first digits are also same. So what you should do, children? Then you have to compare the next number. So 5 and 7. Which is smaller? 5 is smaller. So 15 is smaller and 17 is bigger. Okay, now we'll see the 3-digit number. So both are 3-digit number and the first digits are same. Oh, so what you should do? We should compare the second number, the next number. So 4 and 7. Which one is smaller? 4 is smaller. So 145 is smaller. 178 is bigger. Okay, children. Now we will arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means what, children? When we write the numbers from smallest to greatest. Okay, when we write the numbers from smallest to greatest. The first method is what? So the first step is what, children? You have to compare the number of digits. So 831 is a 3-digit number and 641 is a 3-digit number. 9 is a 1-digit number. 101 is a 3-digit number and 76 is a 3-digit number. So smallest to greatest. Which is smallest? The single digit number is smallest. So 9 should come first. You can mark it here 1. Okay. You can write on the top 1. So next, after writing, next is all the numbers have the 3-digit number and only 76 is a 2-digit number. So 76 should come next. Okay. Next, remaining 3 numbers have 3-digit number. If the digits are same, what you should do, children? What is the second step? You should compare the first number. First digit of the number. So which is small? 8, 6 or 1. Which is small, children? Which is small? 1 is small. So write it here 3 and write 101. So compare 831 and 61. Which is small? 6 is small. So write your 4 and write it 641. The last remaining number is 831. Okay. See here 9. 9 is smaller. 76 is bigger than 9. 101 is bigger than 76. And 641 is bigger than 101. 831 is bigger than 641. It is in the increasing order. And it is called as what, children? Ascending order. Now we will arrange these numbers in ascending order. See children, in these numbers we have all the numbers have 3-digit number and the first digit numbers are same. Okay. Then what you should do children? Then you should compare the second digit number. See here, you have to compare all the second digit number. If the first digit numbers all are same, then what you should do? You should move to the next number and you should compare the next number. So 7, 3, 0, 9 and 1. Which is small? 0 is small. So right on the top 201 should come first. Okay, 201. Okay, so next is what? 7, 3, 9, 1. Which one is smaller children? Which number is small? 1 is small. So 211 should come second. 211. So next is 7, 3, 9. Which one is smaller children? 3 is smaller. So 231 should come in third place. Okay. The next remaining numbers are 7 and 9. Which is smaller? 7 is small. So it should come in fourth place. The last. So compare these two numbers. So 7 and 9. Which is smaller children? 7 is smaller. So 271 should come here. The next, the remaining last number is 291. Okay children. 201, 211, 231, 271 and 291. So it is in the increasing order and it's called as what children? Ascending order. Okay. Now we will arrange these numbers in ascending order. What is the first step children? You have to compare the number of digits. So 2-digit number you have and remaining all are 3-digit number. So 2-digit number is always smaller than the 3-digit number. So 97 should come first. Okay. Next, all the numbers have same 3-digit numbers. Okay. So what you should do children? You have to compare the first digits. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 1 and 2. See here, you have 2, 1. Compare 138 and 149. Why I am comparing these two numbers children? Because 2 is greater than 1. So last we can compare these two numbers. So compare 138 and 149. How you can compare? Both the first digit numbers are same. So what you should do? You should compare the second digit number. Which is smaller children? 3 is smaller or 4 is smaller? 3 is smaller. So 138 should come in the second place and 149. So the next numbers are 256 and 252. Compare both the numbers. 2 first digit is also same and second digit is also same. Then what you should do children? You have to compare the last digit. Okay. 6 and 2. Which is smaller children? 2 or 6? 2. So 252. Then you should write 256. See children, you have to follow the steps. First you have to compare the digits, then first digit, then second digit, then last only you have to compare the last digit. Okay. Once again I repeat the steps children. First you have to compare the number of digits. If number of digits are same, then you have to compare the first digit of the numbers. Okay. Then if the first digit number is same, then you have to compare the second digit of the numbers. If the second digit number is also same, then you have to compare the third digit number. Okay. Arrange in descending order. Now we are going to arrange these numbers in descending order. What is descending order children? Descending order means when we arrange or when we write the numbers from greatest to smallest or biggest to smallest. When we write the numbers from biggest to smallest, that is called as descending order. So the bigger number should come first. So in this, how we will compare? What is the first step children? You have to see the number of digits, because so which digit, how many digit number should come first? 3-digit number should come first. So compare all the 3-digit number first digit. Okay. So why I am not comparing the 1-digit number and 2-digit number? Because in descending order, small digits should come at the last. So 4, 8 and 6. Which is the big number in this, children? 8 is bigger. So 875 should come first. Okay, because we are arranging in the descending order. So bigger number should come first. Next is 4 and 6. Which is bigger? 6 is bigger. So it should come in the second place. 628. Okay, next you have to write 454. Why I am not comparing? Because we already learned that 2-digit number is smaller than 3-digit number. So 455 should come. Next is what? 2-digit number is bigger or 1-digit number is bigger, children? 2-digit number is bigger. So 78 is bigger. So the last number is 9. Okay. So this is called as descending order. We are arranged these numbers in descending order. So we can see here the decreasing of the number. Okay, see here it is in the decreasing order. 628 is smaller than 875. 454 is smaller than 628. 78 is smaller than 454. 9 is smaller than 78. Okay, it is in the decreasing order. Now we will see another example. See, children, in these number, all the numbers are 3-digit number and the first digits are same. Okay, the first digits are same. If the first digit is same, what you should do, children? You should compare the second digit. Okay, because all the first digits are same, what you should do? You should compare the second digit. Okay, so 1, 5, 9, 0 and 7. This number, which is bigger number, children? So 9 is bigger. So 491 should come first. The next is 1, 5, 0 and 7. Which is bigger? 7, 5 or 1? Which is bigger, children? 7. So 475 should come next. Okay, write it here too. So next is, what are the numbers remaining? 1, 5 and 0. So I am comparing only the second digit number because the first digit numbers are same. So 1, 5 and 0. Which is bigger, children? 451. 5 is bigger. So you should write it here 451. Next is 1 and 0. Which is big? 1 is big. So 413 should come here. Write here 4. The last remaining number is 404. So that is the smallest number. So the biggest number is 491 and the smallest number is 404. Okay, it is in the decreasing order. Okay, it is in the decreasing order where 475 is smaller than 491 and 451 is smaller than 475. 413 is smaller than 451 and 404 is smaller than 413. So 404 is smallest number and 491 is the biggest number in these numbers. It is in the descending order. Descending order, how we have to arrange, children? We have to write it from bigger number to smallest number. Okay, next. We'll see the next example, children. So we have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means what, children? From bigger number to the smallest number. So bigger number should come first. What is the first step, children? You have to compare the digits. So bigger number means 3-digit number should come first. Okay. See here 138, 256, 149 and 256. With this 4 numbers, first digit is 1, 2, 1 and 2. Which is big? 2 is bigger. So compare these two numbers. 2 first digit is same. So compare the second digit. So second digit is also same. Then what you should do, children? Compare the last digit. Which is bigger? 256 is bigger. So 256 should come first. The next is 252. Okay. The next is 1. Okay. So the next is 1. The first digit is same. So you have to compare the second digit. So which is bigger, children? 4 is bigger. So you have to write 149, then 138. The next is, which one is the last remaining number is 97. So 97 is the smallest number and 256 is the biggest number. Okay. So it is in the decreasing order and it is also called as what, children? Descending order. So now what is ascending order, children? When we write numbers from smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. And what is descending order, children? When we write numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called as descending order. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.